Welcome to Saudi Society Clinical Chemistry Podcast. I'm Dr. Abdullah المشاري, and we are in Dubai and IFCC. Really, we have our honor to interview and meet Prof. Khosrow Adeli, well-known in clinical chemistry, 35 years of experience in this field, the past president of IFCC. Welcome, Prof. Khosrow.
Thank you very much.
Professor, can we know your story of both entering this field in clinical chemistry in our podcast?
Thank you very much. Well, I was interested in the field of laboratory medicine from the start when I was an undergraduate student. And so I applied for a PhD in biochemistry in Canada. So I trained in Canada in biochemistry, but while I was doing my PhD, I started taking courses in clinical chemistry. And then I applied for a postdoctoral fellowship. So in Canada, there is a postdoctoral training program. So I attended that, and after a few years of training, I was able to start my job as a clinical chemist, but also because I'm a researcher, I started as an academic clinical chemist doing both research and survey. So this is going back almost 35.
Wow, this is also huge experience. You have a bright name really in the field of clinical chemistry. And Professor, do you remember the first conference of IFCC you attended?
Yes, actually, my first conference was actually Japan. Wow. The IFCC had a conference in Kyoto, Japan. And this is like more than 20 years ago, almost 22 years ago, early 2000, I attended. And I was not known, and I was not part of the IFCC sort of community, but more in attending the conference. But I really enjoyed that conference, and I learned that IFCC conferences are really truly international and have very strong scientific content. So gradually became more involved, and I was then nominated to serve on an IFCC division called the Communication and Publication Division. So I got involved in IFCC about almost 18 years ago, in 2006, and I've been involved since.
Yeah. Now, the IFCC in Dubai, how do you feel the difference between the 20 years in Japan and now as a workshop, attending, registration?
IFCC continues to grow. Now we have close to 100 countries involved, 98 countries involved in IFCC, and we have 120 societies in 98 countries. So it's really an international organization. It has also grown in membership from corporate companies in IVD, in in vitro diagnostics, and in laboratory medicine. So we now have 60 companies who are part of IFCC. So it's really an international organization made up of scientists, over 50,000 scientists from around the world, as well as many companies and industry players.
Nice. We are appreciating your time. At the end, how do you see the cooperation between Saudi Society of Clinical Chemistry and the IFCC?
We have had actually a strong collaboration in the last several years. I've had the pleasure of giving lectures at the Saudi Society conference twice. And we are continuing this collaboration, especially with Professor Anwar Barai and Professor Samia and others. We have had a lot of good collaboration and look forward to more collab.
Yeah, thanks very much for your time, Professor.
Thank you.